So hello everyone. Today I'm going to get into Google Analytics and I'll show you how you can add any user to your Google Analytics account. So first of all, why do we need it? Sometimes you need someone to review your analytics or to run ads and to see the stats. So you're gonna need to add a user. So let's get right into it. It's pretty simple actually. So yeah. First of all, you need to go over here to this sidebar, then go to the admin label, click on it. We'll have at least two of these columns. First one is account, then we have property. You can have a new third one, that is view one. It will let you get more into properties. So in the account one, you'll have account access management. In the property one, we have property access management. Property access management will let you, let's say you are a business and you have multiple websites. So you can add all of those websites to your properties, and they will show up here, and you can limit the users that you're adding his or her access through property access management. You can limit them to one website, one property, while over here you can give much more access to all of the properties. So I want to give to I will give overall account access. So let's click on account access management. Okay, I'll be shown this. This is my Gmail, this is my account, I'm the admin. So you just need to click on plus option, add users. Now you can see you can add any email to the here, and I'll just add a test email over here. And as you can see, it is showing it's wrong, but you can add so it will let you know, and you can add a legit email to this one. Keep this checked. Notify new users by email. Keep this checked. Direct roles and data restrictions. Then you can provide the role depending on the user's requirement. And here I will be going for the administrator one because I want to give full access of my account, Google Analytics account. So here other you can read all of these options and see what suits you the best, editor, analyst, just viewer, or none. So apart from that, we have data restrictions. No need to worry about that. Just just cost metrics or revenue metrics. If you want to hide it, you can. But remember, it's only available for GA4 properties, not UA properties. That is Google Analytics 4 properties, not Universal Analytics. So this is the new one. That was the old one. So yeah, you can check it up if you want. You can uncheck it if you want. But remember, yeah, if you have given admin permissions, the admin will be able to remove this. So keep that in mind, and you can. I don't want to hide anything. So yeah, I'll just move on to the next step, that is add. Once I click on add, the user will be added, and that'll be it for you. You can just go to the dashboard then, and you will see another Gmail to be added up over here. So that's it for now. Cheers for now.